intro it. Let's around with Mentos and Coke. Hollywood with half cent. Today, around with Mentos.
My shot had that entire range, dude. It was awesome.
Oh, yeah.
Is that a fun smell?
It smells like smoke and menthol.
Yeah, it does.
I'm good.
Mentos here.
We have a crate of Mentos.
We got a whole bunch of diet soda, and we have this apparatus that helps us store many Mentos and launch it at once into the cabin. So that's what we're doing. We're having fun.
It's like the commercial.
You'll shoot farther when you eat a
Mentos, climb into a stranger's car. What?
We encourage it.
Yep, look up the commercial, guys. The 80s were
No,
wild.
We're gonna recreate it.
Yeah, I think it was the 90s, wasn't it?
It was probably the
I think it was
90s.
the early 90s when those
Judging by that
commercials
dude's
were
face
big.
and haircut, it was the 90s.
Yeah, probably.
Out here looking like Frankenstein and Legos had a baby.
Steve is Lord.
Smooth as boy.
Smooth move, X lads.
That is my line, first of all.
Oh
Did you just freak?
Did you get all that? Did you just get all that?
no! Oh no! Oh fuck! Oh no! Well,
I f***ing went to go turn it. My finger hit the button. Oh man.
What? Just,
Hey.
going over there for now.
oh my
It
god.
wasn't me.
Oh
boy.
My heart's a racing.
Yeah, as soon as it went up, you see me.
I'm so glad you got out there.
In case you didn't know, I can teleport.
Whoa!
Daniel. I'll make sure the front of this is good. Okay, yep.
I managed to save the hero. The hero was saved from the mishap.
Yeah,
I'll
you
protect you.
Moose is like, yo, f***ed up. Yo, f***ed up.
So we had a function.
Mr. Smooth over here.
What happened?
I was
worked.
tightening this on
He was
to
putting
get
it on and then
Yeah,
hit it
my
with his
finger went like
let him
this.
drop.
It was a total fluke.
Like I was tightening it, and my finger just pushed the button up.
It was a
and
total
it just
fluke,
went.
but it just.
As soon as it went up, I boogied because I was like, it's gotta go down. It's gotta come back down.
Oh,
Is your
dang
phone
it.
gimbal already?
Yeah, it's probably fine.
Alright, can Gingy not be in charge of this?
No, no, I get one more try,
Alright, well, I'm just gonna. Alright, I'm good.
and I'm holding it like this.
Okay, okay. Well, you.
Was that thing built specifically to do this?
Yeah, yeah.
I was saying, what are the odds you come across something so absolutely perfect?
Yeah, it was like all of $6 on Amazon.
Run it. We'll see.
Awesome.
So is being diet like key?
Yeah,
Yeah,
apparently.
yeah. Some of the chemicals that are found in diet, as opposed to regular pop, is what makes it.
It's not good, but not because of the Mentos.
Ready, set?
Yep.
Goo! Ah!
Oh, dang.
Good 20-footer.
You fucking idiot. I thought you were doing it on purpose to be a I was like, what the f***? We have no stuff's here.
Somebody else for this. I'm done.
Tony?
Watch yourself, Shane. You're gonna get sprayed, boy.
That's pretty good fountain there.
That's a good shot. I couldn't even get that whole curvature.
Squeeze it full of bags.
It seems like it doesn't seal down all the way. It still sprays out of it.
And he spent.
Seal it down even tighter.
I know.
It's coming out. It's coming out up here, so it's not even. It's not about there as much.
$6, man.
I'm just saying, if there's a way we could seal this down tighter,
Lighter.
maybe it'll shoot further.
Yeah.
It's losing pressure.
Yeah, I've gotten the curve on all of them. I've gotten the curve on all of them. I have not gotten. I did not get the curve on that one. Yeah, shake it off. Shake it off. Shake it off.
We know which one was mine, okay?
Anything's better than premature shot boy over there. Jeez.
Right, Gingy barely touched the tip and it just burst. What we were thinking with these ones is if we could figure out how. I've seen plenty of videos where they have it in the cap. They tighten the cap down so the Mentos drops. You slam it on the head of the bottle and the bottle rockets off.
Oh.
Back at it again with the fresh Mentos.
The fresh maker, Daniel. Back at it again with the fresh maker, Daniel.
Back at it again with the fresh
Wee!
Wee!
Wee! Yeah.
Things are just going to become canon in this world.
Yep.
We're gonna end up a year from now going to visit some random city. Someone's just gonna go, "Oh my God, Epson!"
Wee!
Like, ah, damn it!
Damn, we made it a thing. That's like our catchphrase now. When people see us, they're gonna go, Wee!
If that ends up being our catch, like if that ends up being the thing that everyone goes, "Oh, that's half cent," and that's what they do, I'm gonna be mad.
Oh.
Couldn't get the video rolling.
Dude, I literally just watched a piece of Mentos fall over here. So there it is. There it is. There's literally, look at a shard of Mentos.
Damn. Broke in half.
Oh my God.
What the f? Dude, that got heated.
It did.
Who would have thought? 4 grown men with some candy and some pop. So much fun. It's like a sleepover, guys.
Like this, very straight up in the air and hit the pavers.
How does the software update? I don't know.
You didn't get 4K or
We're gonna find out.
All right.
We are gonna find out.
Very carefully put that in there and screw it on.
Yeah, and you.
Hit
No,
the pop
really
on the
shake
Mentos.
that son up and then throw
Flip it upside down or something, and then just go like this. Straight up.
Try
and
to
try
get-
to hit the pavers.
Oh, broke him. Hole in the bottle. Boy. Hurry. Come on, baby. Yeah.
He did a whirly-dirly.
If peeing your pants makes it cool, then you can call me Miles Davis. No brakes, nothing?
Nothing.
Ooh, the cap is fractured.
Whoa! Whoa!
That one wanted to
Okay.
get drops. That one wanted to get
Okay.
redone.
I'd be careful with doing that. A couple of months from now, we're gonna have Diet Coke sprouting up everywhere.
Thanks, Bruce.
It's gonna be Diet Coke sprouting up.
I'm not irritated that you said it. I'm irritated that you don't know that it only takes 2 weeks.
So, we had this cool idea because I saw this on the Amazon. It's the geyser. You know, you drop the Mentos in. You know, the geysers. Ooh, fountain. Then we discovered something real cool. We were gonna see if it would explode if we just put a cap on. Put a bunch of Mentos in, put the cap on, toss the bottle. Well, it didn't. Then we discovered if you take said bottle with the Mentos that didn't explode, toss it in the air, the second it hits the ground, the top blows off and it launches this bottle like a rocket. So, we're gonna do it again a couple more times. And what we're doing here is we're taking nano tape, we're taping Mentos together like it's a magazine for a gun. And then we're gonna tape that to the top
Inside.
and the inside. So, and then we're gonna drink some out so it doesn't touch the Mentos. We're gonna toss it in the yard or shake it up in hand, toss it. Once it hits the ground, rock it. Dope.
Hey, you know it.
Holy Jesus.
Oh yeah. Okay.
We're making a depth charge. That's
All right.
hilarious. Oh, he just put it. He dropped it. Ah, it's anticlimactic.
You want to go open that?
Nope.
I do. Maybe not. No. So
Brings me back to my Juggalo days.
I knew he was gonna plug that somewhere. Oh.
he lost it
Woo!
All right, well, that's
Dibs on the rest of the Mentos.
No. I bought them.
what did you say? Dibs on the rest of the Mentos.
Why don't you eat the opened ones?
Okay.
And then we'll save the rest for episode 2.
Episode 2, where we hit it with BBs and such.